Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful letter reading dito lamang po sa inyong lagi labangan. Sinusubaybayan pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega mega shoutout po sa inyong lahat aking mga pinamahal na soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood, nag-aabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Kung bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ngayon or nakaresonate kayo, ay please don't hesitate na mag-comment at nagre-reply po ako sa mga comment, like, and share na rin po. And of course, wag niyo pong kakalimutan na i-subscribe po ang ating channel. Sige po. I hope and pray na sa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Ang ating pong reading ngayon ay alamin natin ang maganap kapalaran ng ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Sagittarius para sa buwan ng February 2026. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus takes what only resonates, and kapag hindi ka naka-resonate, ay hanapin nyo yung energy sa ibang reading at sa ibang videos na ating i-upload. Sige, last shuffle at kunin na natin Sagittarius ang 10 mong baraha. Okay. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Let's do this. Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please for Sagittarius. Reading for February 2026. Sige. Sa mga bago po sa ating channel, baka mamaya magtaka kayo bakit parang ang kalat or ang gulo ko mag-shuffle. Don't worry. Dito po tayo nakakakuha ng mga magagandang baraha na nakaka-resonate po ang karamihan dito. 7 cards please, Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 6 cards more, yun. 5 pa, Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Ayan. Balik natin. Kailangan yung nakakaob lang, yung hindi nagpapakita. 4 cards more for February 2026 reading for Sagittarius. Ayun. Last 3, Sagittarius, Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides. May nahulog sa baba. Ang dating kunin. Kunin ko to. And last one, Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Yun. Kompleto na, Sagittarius, ang iyong 10 cards. Sige. I know that you're excited, like me. Tingnan natin. Sige. Let's begin. February 2026, first card mo, Sagittarius, is 2 of Wands. Okay. February 2026, expect Sagittarius a massive transformation for you. You will be making choices, gagawahan ng mga desisyon, mga bagay-bagay na bago, hindi lang para sa iyo, but pati sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Bago sa paningin, bago sa pandinig, or any kind of something. You look at this one because you will be making something new, something big na parang mag-take risk ka because it feels that your current situation is not working for you anymore and you have made up your mind na parang sumubok naman ng ibang bagay. You will be considering things, a lot of things by February. And hindi naman ito basta-basta, i-consider mo lang. Marami kang mga kinonsult muna, marami kang signs na hiningi or kung ano man bago ka mag-come up sa decision na gagawin na to. But something new, something related sa growth or kung ano man na gusto mong makamit, something big, extraordinary, ang iyong papasukin or i-consider sa February, Sagittarius. Okay? Then, Queen of Wands. So, I can see that this February, kung ano man decision na gagawin mo, kung ano man yung mga bagay na i-consider mo, expect a maturity in terms, sabi ko nga, you're matured enough. Hindi ka na magdadalawang isip, hindi ka na mawawala yung doubts and confusions mo sa mga bagay-bagay na gagawin mo, or hindi ka na basta-basta mag-react because I can see her maturity, stability in terms of emotions. This Queen of Wands represents stability in terms of emotions, decision-making, o kung ano man yan. Hindi ka na basta-basta ma-manipulate. Kumbaga, you will know your worth. Hindi ka na basta-basta maluloko, magagamit ng mga tao. Comes February, magkakaroon talaga ng massive transformation, maturity, stability in terms of your emotions. So, kumbaga, bagong ikaw ito, Sagittarius, in terms of emotions. Kumbaga, magkakaroon talaga ng stability. So what I mean, hindi ka na basta-basta masisway ng mga opinions mo, hindi ka na basta-basta makikinig, parang you will be making your decisions by your own and it comes with full independence or parang ikaw talaga yung nag-decide nito or ikaw mismo talaga sarili mong pag-iisip, sarili mong desisyon ang panggagalingan nito at hindi manggagaling sa ibang tao. Okay? Next is, oh my God. kahit hindi na natin tapusin tong 7 barahan na natitira, this third card mo na Wheel of Fortune, Sagittarius, sabi ko nga, expect massive transformation not only in emotion, not only in other things, but in all aspect of your life. Relationship, finances, career, fame, o kung ano man yan. So, expect talagang meron something big na palaki na parating para sa inyo, Sagittarius. You deserve it. You've been working so hard. So, kumbaga ito na yung harvest season para sa iyo. Come February, makikita mo yung clarity ng mga bagay-bagay. There will be clarity, there will be, kumbaga, clear indications. Makikita mo lahat ng connect. There will be big realizations na, okay, kaya pala nangyari itong mga bagay nito. It's because, kasi nga, something big has been prepared for me by the universe. And this Wheel of Fortune Ruleta ng Kapalaran, this card represents or signifies that Sagittarius, you are on the edge of receiving something extraordinary or big milestone that you will be going to unlock or talaga magbubukas para sa iyo. With that, congratulations kung ano man yan. You deserve it, Sagittarius. Okay? Pang-apat is the Five of Pentacles. February, it comes with extra caution or discipline in terms of managing or holding your finances. Okay? Although perishal, Five of Pentacles, starting February, matuto Sagittarius na maghigpit ng sinturon, lalong-lalo na sa paggasta or paglalaanan ng mga pera na kung meron man, ay kasi because this is a winter season, malamig, so hindi magiging maganda. Kumbaga, what I mean is that, di ba pag malamig, parang matumal, yung benta, parang ganun. So, it is necessary na sa ganitong period ay matutong magtipid or kumbaga hawakan na mabuti ang kaperahan. But since the Wheel of Fortune is here, it doesn't mean that hindi magiging masama ang sitwasyon mo in terms of finances. What I'm saying is, although Wheel of Fortune, sabihin mo tagumpay o kung ano man yan, it comes, kailangan mo samahan ito ng disiplina or kumbaga pagiging matalino sa paghawak ng pera na meron ka. Okay? Ooh. Pang-5, this is a very beautiful card. May katakpan ko. Stars. So, Sagittarius, you will be shining like a star. There's a very bright future. Talagang sabi ko nga, star is brightness. So, comes February, magiging malinaw ang lahat para sa iyo. Kumbaga, makikita mo lahat, maiintindihan mo ang lahat kung bakit nangyari ang mga bagay-bagay. And talagang it will, sabi ko, ulitin ko, it will make you realize why all of these things happened to you from the past time. Kasi sabi ko, something big, something extraordinary. There are some Sagittarius that will be known on the craft or the skills na wino-work out nila. Siguro may mga makikilala sa inyo sa mga talent na meron kayo. If you have some hidden talent na hindi pa na-discover, February will be like the discovery period. Okay? So, ilalabas niyan, isa-showcase niyan sa karamihan. And with there, it will help you. Okay? Matutulungan ka nito for any needs na hinahanap mo. Maybe it will be the additional or new source of revenue or pagkakakitaan para sa iyo. Okay? But this is Star card. Dito yung Wheel of Fortune, Sagittarius, you have a very bright future ahead. February will be the beginning that everything will make sense. Lahat ng bagay mag-make sense para sa iyo. Okay? Let's continue with 6 card, the Hermit. So, the universe will be giving you a clear path, a bright future sa papamagitan ng, kumbaga, i-clear niya yung daan, lilinisin niya para sa pagdaan mo. So, yan, no? Dala mo yung isang ilaw na bright, so bright, like a star. So, it means na talagang the path to recovery, yung daan patungo sa prosperity and abundance has been cleared for you by the universe. And here you are on the right track. Pinapakita lang itong barang Hermit card na to na nasa tamang landas na tinatahak mo. You don't need to be confused. Hindi ka pwedeng magdalawang isip kasi baka inisip mo, tama ba? Tama ba ito na pinasok ko? Yes. Comes February, ma-realize mo tama ito lahat because of this Hermit card. The universe will be kumbaga ipapakita sa iyo, ipapa-realize in universe na tama yung bagay na pinaglaban mo, na pinaghirapan mo, hindi mo sinukuan. And comes February, sabi ko nga, magiging malinaw ang lahat dahil unti-unting makikita mo yung bunga or unti-unti mo makikita yung progress ng mga bagay na yan na talagang win-work out mo for a long time. Okay? Pang-7, I hope nasundan nyo Sagittarius. Again, kapag naka-resonate kayo or nakarelate kayo sa reading na to, mag-comment kayo because I am reading and replying to all the comments. Like and share, of course. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Let's continue Sagittarius, February 2026 reading with your 7th card, 5 of Wands. So, Sagittarius, you will be busy comes February in terms of partnership collaboration with other people. So it is necessary, kinakailangan na lumabas ka naman kahit papaano para makakilala ng mga bagong tao na makaka-reconnect mo or parang makikilala mo to build a new network. Okay, ito yung ipapadala ni universe sa'yo para at least makatulong sa current situation mo. Okay, those past peoples that have dumaan sa buhay mo, okay, parte yun ng proseso ng universe, but may mga tao ka namang dapat, mga bagong tao na makikilala na maaaring makatulong sa'yo. Maaaring aligned din sila, pare-pareho din kayo ng skills, o maaaring pare-pareho kayo ng craft na minamaster. So that's why you need to have partnership para mas lalong ma-develop or ma-master mo yung craft na yan. So comes February, you will be busy with, communication with other people, with other situations na kinakailangan talaga. Although you are very good with a certain thing, kahit sabi natin kaya mo mag-isa, iba pa rin kapag may advice or may tulong mula sa ibang tao na aligned with the same path na ng bagay na ginagawa mo, and at least, kumbaga, two ideas or mas maraming ideas ay mas mabuti. Okay? So, let's continue. Your 8th card is the 9 of Swords. So, comes February, there's a little bit of confusions and frustrations pa rin. Nature yan, natural yan sa tao na may konting mga bagay na dapat i-resolve. Siguro ito yung mga natira pa ng konti ng mga bagay-bagay na naiwan pa December, January. But comes February, andyan pa rin siya, magkukos pa rin siya ng konting mga confusions and frustrations sa'yo. But this is only minimal, Sagittarius. I'm telling you, kayang-kaya mo to. Hindi totally hindi ka makakatulog, but I can see na at least, kumbaga, sasagi pa rin siya sa isip mo. But with this star and the wheel of fortune, you are guaranteed na masasolve mo yan. Okay, natural yan may mga bagay-bagay lang na tayong pagdadaanan, but all in all, you're going to ace it. Okay, magagawan mo to ng paraan. Very easy lang to para sa Sagittarius, comes February. Mga minor lang to. Mga minor things na dapat mong isettle, but 5 of Wands, there are people na makakatulong sa'yo, makikilala ka. At the same time, you're guaranteed, you don't need to worry. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala sa universe because the wheel of fortune is here, ang ruleta ng kapalaran, the star card is here, a very beautiful cosmic card. So, everything will be clear for you. Alam mo ang dapat mong gawin. Alam mo kung paano magre-react sa mga sitwasyon. That's why I'm confident that malalagpasan mo yan. Okay? 9th card mo is, look at this one, Ace of Swords. So, new beginning. A transformative life is waiting for you. So, bagong ikaw, magugulat ka ba? Gigising ka na lang kinaumagahan, comes February, na parang nakalimutan mo na lahat yung mga kalungkutan or sadness that you've been through. Siguro, for the past 2 weeks, it was so heavy, napakabigat ng pakiramdam. You've been overwhelmed with mixed emotions na hindi mo maipaliwanag yung nararamdaman mo. You've been overwhelmed by obligations and responsibilities. There are still some na kailangan mo pa rin gawa ng paraan para masolve. But this Ace of Swords comes February, Sagittarius, you are guaranteed or you are being, kumbaga, this signifies that a new chapter of your life is going to unfold. Magbubukas ang mga panibagong opportunities na maaari mong sunggaban or pasukin na makakabigay sa'yo o makakatulong sa'yo ng kahit paano na growth and stability in life. Okay? This is a very beautiful reading. Then, ang last card mo, Sagittarius, February 2026 reading. Tapusin natin with this 9 of Wands. Okay? February and all of the rest of the months of the year, Sagittarius, you will be prone to people that are envious or envy na iinggit sa'yo. So here they are monitoring your moves. Pinagmamasdan nila, nasa malayo sila. So they are tracking your movements, your plans. That's why it's a little kumbaga, it is recommended na kahit paano maging discreet sa mga movement. Huwag masyadong ipapaalam lahat ng mga plano, and kung kakayanin, you do it by yourself muna. Okay, huwag muna masyadong ipapaalam. It's because kahit nga wala kang ginagawa here, they are waiting for something na mag-fall ka, bumagsak ka, or something na mag-fail ka. It's because dyan sila magiging masaya. So this 9 of Wands represents someone, people that behind your back, or parang they are monitoring you. Maybe you are not aware, but siguro nasa circle mo na nga siya sa araw-araw. That's why you need to be cautious, maging maingat. At the same time, observant. Huwag basta-basta magtitiwala sa mga tao sa paligid. And you just need to trust yourself and the universe. Okay? Sagittarius, that was a very beautiful reading for February 2026 for you. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Sagittarius ang makapanood nito ngayon. And ulitin ko, kapag nagustuhan nyo or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, wag nyo kakalimutan na mag-comment and like and share. Of course, don't forget or don't hesitate to subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.